Hi everyone, thank you so much for watching. My name is Yadira. Today I do have a Louis Vuitton unboxing and it's quite a large box right here. So if you're interested to see what it is that I got, please do stay tuned. But first, if you're new, welcome. If you're returning, thank you so much for coming back, and let's get into the inside of this box. This is quite gigantic. I don't know exactly how to open it and keep everything within frame, but I am going to try. So this is an online purchase straight from the LouisVuitton.com website. Okay, I've taken off the little seal. So I went to grab some scissors, and actually I think these are like garden scissors, but you know what? They will do the job. Hopefully that does the trick. Alright, so where were we? Is it gonna happen? Alright. Dun 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 dun. The huge orange Louis Vuitton logo. Okay. Seriously. Alright, so there are the goodies. I do see another magazine, and I already do have this one. If you saw my mini bum bag unboxing, you know that I did get the same magazine, so now I have two. Awesome. Alright, so I have a gift tag, and then I also have the receipt in there, and then I can't tell if they undid the bow or if they just kind of wrapped it and threw it in there, because that's what it looks like. Okay, so literally that's what it looks like. Okay, open the inside, it's gonna be just fine. Let me move this big box out of the way. Okay, this is my newest Louis Vuitton purchase, and actually, am I gonna put it in the title? Yeah, I'm probably gonna put it in the title. So you probably already know what it is, but here is the inside. Okay, so I have this little box. It is perfume samples, and it looks like I have two different perfumes in there. They are Pacific Chill and the Pacific Chill. Okay, so two of the Pacific Chill perfume samples. Pretty cool. So I guess it's good that there's two, just in case I really do love them, then I have two, right? Okay, so here is the bag itself. This is the Louis Vuitton High Rise in monogram. This zipper right here is so huge, so beautiful, like wow. A little bit of dust on my LV logo from the dust bag. This is actually really nice, and I'm like very excited that I actually have this. Like, this one is very reminiscent of the original bum bag that was discontinued. So let's take a peek all inside. So in the back, my zipper looks a little bit scratched. Wait, does it? Oh, okay, that side doesn't look scratched. It's the other side. Yeah, it's this side. Let me open it with the dust bag. It looks so big and shiny. I don't want to get my fingerprints on it. Oh, the inside is very like cushiony, so that is awesome. I don't have the original bum bag, obviously, and so I don't know if the inside feels the same way, but it's a little bit like cushiony, which is interesting. The inside is very pretty. It's an off-white textile lining with the monogram imprint in there, and it's so pretty actually. It almost looks like a light green kind of tint. I think it's showing very good on the camera right now that I'm looking at it, and it's so pretty. The print is very nice. All right, so that's the back pocket, and it's a very big, generous pocket. I actually do have my phone here. This is the iPhone 14 Pro, and it fits in there with plenty of room to spare, so that's pretty cool. Now the inside of the bag, So the zipper is buttery soft, so that is awesome. I don't mind one bit the amount of Eyeshadow that's right here, just because I think it's nice. And looking at it, comparing it to the original Bumbag did have the big handle right here that was in all Eyeshadow, plus the strap itself was in full Eyeshadow. Right, so inside of the bag comes the actual strap, and this is a jacquard strap that matches the color of the interior, which is really nice. This is my first jacquard strap, and I quite like it. I think that because, you know, it's removable, I can use it with other bags, so that's a plus. Moving on to the inside of the bag, it is quite nice. So the same textile interior as the bag pockets, and it does have the actually 3 cards here. So the code, the care card, and like manufacturing or something like that. And it's actually quite nice. Like the interior is very roomy and large. So again, I do have my phone and it's there just nicely. So this is really cool. I'm gonna bring some of the items that I'm using in my current bag and see what they look like in here. But this is a really nice bag. I think it's gonna be a good one, and I am also gonna do modeling shots here in a moment. It actually looks like it's gonna be quite nice. So whenever I ordered this piece online, I then started looking for photos. Obviously there wasn't many, but I did see a few of like the client advisors that were showing them like in their store. I guess they receive them like before the launch, so that the day of they're available for purchase. But on some of the people that I was seeing it on, it looked a little bit too big, so I was kind of worried about it. And I am glad that it looks comfortable. Like I am 5'3" and I think it looks fine. This is a bag with the strap on it, and just on the default setting that it comes with, I'm gonna see if that fits, and that's actually perfect actually. So awesome. So let me do a quick what fits in the bag, and then I'll show you some like mod shots here in a few. I brought out my AirPods, but I don't want to put them just in there because they're so small, and this body is too large to where I don't want to lose them or accidentally like grab something and they slip out. So I am gonna put them inside my mini pochette. Now this bag in particular, so far I've only used it as a bag and not as like a pouch because of what I just mentioned. I'm gonna go ahead and put my AirPods in here, and then I'm gonna put a lipstick. This is just like a Chanel Rouge. I have my Chanel mirror that I'm gonna put in here. That's pretty much all I'm gonna put in this little bag, and obviously the bag itself is not full, but you can fill it up even more with like any of your essentials. But just to kind of show that it does fit in here, I'm gonna put, well, we're gonna see if it fits in here. I'm gonna put it in there and see that it does fit just fine, and you can still put some stuff around. So I'm gonna take my key clay and put it in the back, and then I have my 6-ring key holder that I'm gonna put right in here. That is what the inside looks so far. I just grabbed some sunnies and I'm gonna put them right in here at the very top. So that is all in there. Let's close it, and then in the back I'm gonna stick my cell phone there. So actually let me clean it off, because you know, whenever you're on the phone, and I wear makeup, so I don't want to get makeup smeared in here. So I guess that's a con about having a light interior. And now that the inside compartment is kind of full, it is a little bit of a tighter or snugger fit, but it still closes, and it looks like this. Okay, let me put it across the body. Okay, so you can kind of see this right here. I'm not quite sure how I feel about it, but to fix it, I'm just going to change some of the things that are actually in the main compartment and move them away. So what I'm going to do is I am going to remove the mini pochette altogether and just put the items loose in there. So again, the lipstick, compact mirror from Chanel, and then the AirPods. And looking at it like this, like you can see everything. It's a little bit awkward, but it's fine. It works. All right, so I guess you can still see like the little curve right there from this bottom handle. So it's a comfortable bag, and like I said, it has like a cushion, so that's even nice. And then this, you can take it off. So if you've been wanting to have a luggage tag on any of your other bags, now you do. And you can put some other charms in here, so I'm gonna try to do that and show you. I've removed the luggage tag and added my own little charm. So let me quickly just put it on. Right, so I have put the luggage tag back on, and because of this little belt right here, it makes it so snug to where it doesn't really move too much. So that is amazing, and I actually do like that because as you saw my other charm, whenever I put it on, it did kind of go at an angle. So let me do some modeling shots and then we can wrap up the video with my overall first impressions of the High Rise by Louis Vuitton. Okay, so I did add the chain that comes with my mini bum bag, just like to give you an idea that you can dress up the bag. I do think it's a lot going on with the tag right here, but it's an option. And of course you can remove the tag itself to give it a little bit of a different vibe, or you can also hook it from the zipper and use it like a pull, I guess. But here is that option. So wearing it over the shoulder like this is actually very comfortable. So like if you're in a rush and you just grab it, this is a good, like, it's a shoulder bag, you know? And it stays so it doesn't fall, that's a plus. I don't know that I would wear it as a bum bag style, like a fanny pack over front, but I'm gonna try to see if that is an option for me. So actually this particular strap is a little bit too big for my waist, but this is what it looks like. For reference, I am between a size 6'8" US, just in case you also were thinking of wearing this as like a belt bag and you know, you saw it looks a little bit too big on me. So if you're anything smaller than me, then it'll be something you wear across or as a shoulder bag. So because I'm actually wearing my mini bum bag today as my actual bag, I went ahead and detached the strap, the gold chain, and I'm gonna see what that looks like just like over the shoulder. So actually, if you're wanting to use this as a shoulder bag, having a strap like this, it doesn't look bad at all, and it does stay. So just FYI on that. Well, I think it depends on the shirt that you're wearing because it might fall like that, but you have the option, right? Some final thoughts. I really do like the way the bag is configured, the way Louis Vuitton chose everything about it. It is quite comfortable to wear. It's cushiony. It is a beautiful interior. The zippers on it, they're so nice. Like they're not tiny. And this front one, oh my gosh, like it's such a big piece of hardware. I thought that it would be this size. If you ever see this bag in person, like it's huge. It's maybe triple the size of this back one, just for reference. You know, that's my thumb. And then this luggage tag, I love how it's not fixed, how you can remove it and add your own twist if you want, or even if you don't want the luggage tag period, you can take it off. Actually, let me just show you that just so you can see the visual of what the bag looks like without it. All right, so I have removed. So you do have that option too, just in case you're not a fan of the luggage tag. I really do like the way it comes with the jacquard because so using this as a crossbody, I think it is very comfortable and it's perfect. I think that this, you can also do some spot cleaning on it, so it's not bad. And if you do have other straps, you can interchange them with this bum bag. I was gonna say one more thing about the strap, and only because this is my first jacquard strap, in case it might be the same for you, I wanted to mention that even though you can adjust this, I like the way it fits so snug in here. Like the thickness, it's perfect because it's a little bit secure, and also too, it does have this holder right here that gives it that little bit of more tightness as well. So I really like that, and it doesn't look like it'll move. you know, like even with weight, right? It's very secure and well put. So I really do love that about this strap. Oh my gosh, a lot of people don't like these, but I am starting to love it. And if you do have different straps, I mean, I feel like if you happen to have the pink one, if you pair with this one, it looks so pretty. Or even if you have the khaki or the black, girl, this is so nice. I actually do have dinner going, so I hope you don't mind the air fryer. But I was saying that I like the way this strap was chosen for this particular bag because I feel like it works just perfect. And then this vachetta right here, I don't mind it at all. I actually think it gives such a nice touch, and I actually can't wait for it to patina because I think it's gonna look very lovely. I do like the stamp right here, the LV. It's very subtle, you know, not in your face by any means. Oh, I actually didn't even pay attention to where the bag is made. So it just says Louis Vuitton Paris. Really? Like, it doesn't say made in anywhere. Well, that's odd. Okay, so I'm looking at my care card here. So it just says made in the USA of imported materials. So I guess that works for me. And this is the product code, just in case you are wondering what that number is. And that is the product code right there for the high-rise monogram bum bag. I do like these pleats right here. I feel like it gives it like a feminine touch, so that is quite lovely. So the actual canvas is so flexible, which I think is perfect because of the style of bag that it is. It will just be like a little crescent against your body, so that is perfect, and it makes it even more comfortable. Like kind of what I've been saying since I opened the bag. This is such a comfortable bag. And even though I just got the mini bum bag, the mini bum bag is so different. It is literally a whole different bag compared to this one. I feel like it gives two different styles, like the other one being just a hint of classy with all that gold compared to this one being a little bit more sporty. I really do like the look and feel of this bum bag, and I love how it kind of hugs my body. So that is the high rise. Let me know what you guys think about the Louis Vuitton high rise. Are you going to get it? Is it in your wish list? Are you going to pass? You already have a pre-existing Louis Vuitton bum bag? Let me know down in the comments. If you are interested in the high rise bum bag by Louis Vuitton, I am going to put the direct link to the Louis Vuitton website down in the description bar, so please do check that out if you are interested. And before I let you go, I do want to thank you for spending a little bit of your day with me, and I hope to see you next time. Goodbye.